All right. Welcome to another day. We're going to be talking about SpeakWrite, where you can pretty much use your transcription skills to transcribe different videos and audio transcriptions. Basically, SpeakWrite transcription services accommodates a variety of all dictation methods, affording you the chance to have us do your work. So you can use the free SpeakArt app for mobile, desktop, and upload audio and PDF files via the SpeakWrite web portal. And then basically, after your work is submitted to SpeakWrite, it is automatically routed to one of our qualified typists based in the US and Canada. Then they will prepare your final document in the word processing software you selected upon selecting your account, and then your most work is completed within about 3 hours. And then basically, you can submit your recording, submit your file for transcription, and then receive the completed document. And then you will start to, they're going to review it, and then you will get paid for it. Now, it's important that you select typists. You can even do this as well too. They have remote transcription with experience, so just kind of get a general idea.
Want to build a career that allows you to work from home while immersing yourself into interesting fields every day? We are accepting applications from qualified transcription experts to join the team at SpeakWrite. You'll have the opportunity to transcribe documents for industries like police departments, investigators, law offices, and detective services. Where else in the world can you help a police officer transcribe a witness interview and then help a detective services worker document a child's journey to a safer home shortly after? With SpeakWrite, you can set your own schedule and work as little or as much as you'd like. We project that our typists can make anywhere from $450 to $3,000. Unlike other transcription companies, we make sure that we have plenty of work for our typists. We will not go through the hiring process and then not have any work available. We run a tight ship, and we like to keep our people busy. In addition to the regular per-word rate, we often offer bonus pay or rewards program. And as a contractor, we have secured an optional membership in a contract association that allows you to get medical, dental, or life insurance at a group rate. We have a limited number of available positions, and we are only considering those who take action by applying today. Join the SpeakWrite team and turn those extra hours into a successful side hustle. Click the link in the description to get started today.
So there you have it. Go ahead and see if this is a right. You can wear $450 and then over $3,400 per month. So go ahead and see if this is something that you like, money makers. Go ahead and click the apply now button, and they're gonna ask you a lot of questions. They're gonna ask you all this job requirements. I hear at least have 1 year or professional transcription word processing. And you've done it in the last 5 years, and just being able to type 60 words per minute and all that. And then you're going to go ahead and continue. Just click all of these right here. And once you click all of that, once you click all of these, you're going to click the continue button. Oops, one that I missed. And it's going to take you through all of that good stuff. And you're going to be able to put your name, email address, and all that good stuff. But good luck. You can make up between $3,000 per month. And on the flip side, the minimum that you can make is $450 per month. Who can use an extra $450 between $3,000 per month? I know I could. So good luck. Let me know if this is something you want to do, and don't forget to get in the cash giveaways. Have a great day, money maker. See ya. Bye bye.